Okay, now the types of optical cable. So based on what material we are using in the optical cable construction, we have either glass fiber or plastic fiber, depending on the modes. Modes means how many light rays you are passing through, that is single mode and multi-mode fibers. And the third type is index profile, that is how is the change in the refractive index of that cable. We have step index and graded index, right? So first, this is just directly the material, so we'll not discuss on this. Now we'll see what is difference between single mode fiber and multi mode fibers. Basic construction of the cable remains same. The inner part is core and the outer part is cladding. Okay, now if the core diameter is very less, say 50 micrometers, okay, then this is very small. You can observe the difference in the diagrams. This diameter is less, but this diameter is higher than this, right? So when this diameter is very less, hardly a single ray of light is allowed or is able to pass through this core. That's why it is single mode fiber. So only one ray you can show inside this, but keep in mind the radius of the core should be very small. If you show a larger core radius, then it can not act as a single mode fiber, because then you cannot restrict the rays of light. Many rays can pass through this. So basically in this types of fibers, the light may travel with total internal reflection, or the light may go straight, because light always travels in straight line, right? So here it may go straight. Now when it is going straight, the distance it has to travel is less. अगर total internal reflection से जाता है और straight जाता है, here it is transmitter, here it is receiver. See, the distance is same. इसका और इसका distance same है, but the path used is different. ये ऐसे गया, so इसका distance traveled ज़्यादा है, so it needs more time to reach the destination, क्योंकि speed तो same है, distance भी same है, लेकिन path अलग अलग है, इसलिए time इसको ज़्यादा लगेगा और इसको time कम लगेगा, right? So single mode is only one ray can go. Now in multi modes, many rays can pass through this. At a time, you can pass more rays in multi-mode fiber. But the disadvantage of this is dispersion of light, or one type of loss it is there. Here there is no loss because only one mode is there. Here many modes are there. So intramodal dispersion is one kind of loss that now intramodal dispersion means what? A simple example I'll give you. Suppose I ask 4 students to travel from one end of the room to another end of the room. Out of 4 students, one will go straight, another student will go to that corner or the next wall, like it will follow zigzag path continuously, right? The third one also will follow zigzag path, the fourth one will also follow zigzag path, and all those 4 should travel with the same speed, because all 4 we are assuming it as they are light rays, right? So the speed of light will be same. Now what will happen? The guy who is going directly straight from one wall to the opposite wall will reach the destination first, right? And the remaining 3 boys will reach one by one depending on how zigzag path they are following. But they started at the same time from the transmitter, but they are reaching the destination at different times, right? So if here I am telling you this intramodal dispersion, intra is within itself, right? Modal means ये multi modes जा रहे हैं, लेकिन एक ही core से जा रहे हैं. तो विद इन दिस मोड्स जो डिस्पर्शन आता है, डिस्पर्शन इज स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ लाइट. तो मेरे पास एट द ट्रांसमीटर इफ माई वेव इज लाइक दिस, बट ड्यू टू डिफरेंट पाथ्स इट इज फॉलोइंग, रिसीवर में मुझे ये मिलेगा बिकॉज ऑल आर नॉट रीचिंग एट द सेम टाइम. तो ये एक्चुअल टाइमिंग है t. तो ये सपोज मेरा एक्चुअल टाइमिंग t है एंड आई एम रिक्वायरिंग प्लस डेल्टा t एक्स्ट्रा बिकॉज of the different paths everyone is following. So at the receiver I am not getting the exact whatever is transmitted, and this is called as dispersion of light. So इसमें losses ज़्यादा है, किसमें? मल्टी मोड में losses are not there क्योंकि एक ही मोड है तो ये occur ही नहीं होगा. So this is the fastest mode, और this type of fiber, single mode fiber is the best for long distance communication because of low losses. Multi-mode you can use for short distance, but for longer distance the losses will be too high, right? Now to overcome this loss, ये अगर loss आपको overcome करना है, then the graded index fibers are introduced. Now we'll discuss what is step index and what is graded index. ये आपका फाइबर है. तो फाइबर में थ्रू आउट दिस कोर, ये कोर का जितना भी डायमीटर है उसमें इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स n1 है, और क्लैडिंग का जो भी पोर्शन है उसमें इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स n2 है. सो थ्रू आउट दिस कोर, थ्रूआउट दिस कोर ये n1 है, और कोर क्लैडिंग जो इंटरफेस है इमीडिएटली यहाँ पे चेंज है. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स में n2 इज ऑलवेज लेस देन n1 और n1 इज ऑलवेज greater than n2, then only total internal reflection can take place according to Snell's law, right? So whenever there is a sharp change, or this step is nothing but what? Sharp change. That's why the name is called as step index fibers. Now graded index. Why the graded index are introduced? Because now whatever the example I gave you for multimode fibers, when everyone is traveling different paths, they will not reach the destination at the same time. तो हमको क्या करना है? The person who is traveling straight, उसको सबसे कम distance travel करना है. It has to travel the shortest distance, right? तो उसका speed हम कम करेंगे, और जो zigzag में जा रहा है उसको ज़्यादा distance travel करना है, इसलिए उसका speed हम बढ़ाएंगे. In such a way we will do that all will reach at the same time, क्योंकि जो सेंटर वाला था उसका स्पीड कम किया तो उसको ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, और जो जिगजैग में जा रहे थे उनको ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा था तो इनको स्पीड ज़्यादा करेंगे हम तो उनको टाइम कम लगेगा, so that all will reach the destination at the same time. For that concept the graded index is introduced. Now what do you mean by graded? Graded is gradual. ग्रेजुअल मतलब हम क्या करेंगे, ये आपका कोर है, यहाँ पे सेंटर में हाईएस्ट इंडेक्स प्रोफाइल रखेंगे, लाइक द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द कोर एट द सेंटर विल बी हाईएस्ट, सो दैट द स्पीड विल बी लोएस्ट. और यहाँ पे स्टेप था, ये कांस्टेंट था थ्रू आउट द कोर. अब कांस्टेंट नहीं रखेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे, विल डू लाइक दिस. तो सेंटर में आपका n1 हाईएस्ट है, एंड आई कीप ऑन रिड्यूसिंग दिस n1 ग्रेजुअली सच दैट ये n2 में यहाँ पे आने के बाद इट विल नॉट बी ग्रेजुअल, इट विल नॉट बी लाइक दिस, अ शार्प चेंज विल नॉट बी देयर. It will go on decreasing and will match to n2 at core cladding interface. Because of that, ये हमारा refractive index का definition है. This is speed of light in vacuum. This is speed of light in core. और ये कोर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स। तो सेंटर में कोर का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ज्यादा किया है, राइट। नाउ व्हेन आई go on reducing this, then automatically this will change. Okay, so will overcome the disadvantage of intramodal dispersion in graded index fibers. So basically, if the types of optical cables are asked, it will be single mode step index, multi-mode step index, and multi-mode graded index. Only these are the three types. There is no multi-mode, there is no single mode graded index, क्योंकि सिंगल मोड के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, आपका कोर बहुत छोटा चाहिए, और इस छोटे कोर में फिर से this is not possible कि रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कम करो. सी दिस डायमीटर इज 50 माइक्रोमीटर, तो उसमें फिर रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स चेंज करना इज वेरी practically difficult. That's why graded index multimode fiber is not in existence. Only these three types are there. Okay.